Today, I will show you how to change background on Google Meet. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to change your background on Google Meet, you can do it in two ways. You can do it during a call and you can do it before a call. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to start with during a call. So we're going to click on new meeting. We're going to go to start an instant meeting. Now at the start of the meeting, you can see I have a blank screen. So I'm just going to mute my microphone for the meeting. And this is the meeting link. So to change the background during the meeting, what you can do is you can go to this three dots that says more options. You click on it and then you go to backgrounds and effects. Here you can change backgrounds and it will be right there behind your video. Now that being said, to change the background before a meeting, we're gonna mimic an invite. So we're gonna click on this and we're gonna go to Google Meet again. Now we're gonna type in the link here. We're gonna paste it in and we're gonna click on join. Now right before you join the meeting, as you can see, you can click on this icon here that says background and effects, and from here you can definitely change the background to whatever background that you like. Now you can also slightly blur your background, or you can blur the background entirely, and you can also choose your own background to be put in the video, as you can see. Now that's how to change background on Google Meet. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.